Friday morning, 16th of May, 2025 for wiki mene na wakanda. Ndo talon takono borta kingo. Nangono ngani non tanto benden repati. Ena kenan tau twist aki. Ena kenan tau moivi. Ena kenan tau vukivi. Dukiraki. Dukiraki. Duki bobotaki. So ngana kamenda benden repati tukina.
So the kind of one or something that we always remember. Like happened a few years ago,
right,
or a few months ago, or look backwards, or wherever we look, we are here today to celebrate with you, especially with Pujas, because Pujas celebrate 90 years of service in Fiji.
Tamaisaki and Simeli New Matewalo joining this morning.
Wow!
This from Bisoto Levuko Balau and Nawena Local Levuko Balau.
Okay.
Good morning to you too. This morning.
And also good morning to those tuning in from the TikTok this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Good morning also to this driver of TJ, LM something 33 something. Very good morning to you this morning, Corvo. No sorry, Suba. Very good morning to you. Mr. TJ.
I don't know we can the last few days of Serakini.
Right.
And Namatani maybe in the village or na sani tao di tabang borong wala bikin rongone.
Right.
Omurichu wabinaka na ibang may bale.
Right.
And buku di Serakini buli kaya bitan singa sabo. Ano mo ni maru taka bole bale and mataka ni kuwa.
Liu ni wekola ni matan Singapore ketabu kodi tuai neto sekove wuniwanga.
And benak turang matagali.
Yeah, thank you very much. And also the villages of Tavulevu.
That day I was in one supermarket in Valenevu. It was heavy rain. One blue Pajero passed like this, and
the windpipe,
the glass went down. Matangkali. Is the Turang Matagali.
And
you were telling us that you grew up with sir.
I would like to take this time. He's farewelling yesterday. He will get to Australia today.
One English
from Captain John.
Oh, Captain John.
He's captain from the military of Australia.
Right.
Good
morning.
This is from Captain John to all my friends at the Fiji Hydrographic Office.
Wow.
Hydrographic Office.
Best wishes. And also Mr. Humphrey Tawake.
Right.
Dedication
Fiji
song
Navy.
there.
Right.
And also to the people from Reketi in Maduata, the deep river.
Right.
And not forgetting we farewell Father Niboy.
Right.
And Randy ni Queen Niboy. Especially to Chale, to Meow. Chale to to Chale Bulls.
So soon, soon you will leave us the mission to join the Australian Army.
No.
Truce. I'm trying my very best to join.
Because the connection there.
The connection. No.
That's the main boss,
Yeah.
Mr. John.
He are nearly 70s now.
He
are nearly 70s. He working in Fiji.
All
over the country he went to.
He was calling for the big bowl yesterday.
Big bowl.
Why you never call the kuka?
We call the kuka. The kuka was distributed. Thank you. Best wishes to Captain John, to all the friends and the Fiji Hydrographic Office. Thank you for joining this morning. Yesterday we drink bowl of grog. I tell the fella. Say, I'm sorry. Asking myself, negative 5% English Celsius. He understand, but I like people talking in Fiji because it's very hard in speaking English. It's not our mother tongue. We keep on. You just carry on. I just carry in.
Right.
So we was Zonga mitumbu.
Why please? I want to accent chorus to you.
Let's talk. More accent.
Okay.
And I was like this. Okay, many questions I ask. I have to think first before talking.
Don't think.
I think.
Mr. John, boo, ba.
When you go there, ooh, boo, and come down. Father Niboy, and also to the village of Nakalo. Reketi, Maduata, Nanda Keke Estate.
Some another tuning in this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning, Torangatau. And also saya Lakemba, Balewa Mbulunaka, my Watulele. This is Watulele, the team of the Long Beach having breakfast, especially dedicating the song to Moses, Wako Semi Samu and Nico.
What is something unique about Watulele?
Masi.
And
Taura.
Ura.
And
What else?
Tulikuro.
Tulikuro.
Yeah.
Wah, nanau.
Oh, you know very well, my brother.
Okay,
Yeah.
Messi.
Come.
Natapa ng bimbi ni nonta na nambulo ni durunda, the kneecap.
Kneecap.
What is so important?
Kneecap is play a major role in our life.
Who's?
Right.
If you lost a shoulder,
Yeah.
it's good.
Why?
Don't lose your kneecap.
Why?
Kneecap because it's
Brace.
a foundation. It's a foundation of everything.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
carry the weight of your whole body.
Okay,
Right,
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Kneecap.
Right.
If somebody lack with kneecap,
Right.
if the weather coming next week,
Right.
he will feel the kneecap unsaturated.
So the weather bulletin is in the kneecap.
It's the kneecap.
Ayaw sarang
Oy.
Weather bulletin.
Yeah.
If you sama sila ng durum, elbow is no.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hand is no.
Oi.
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 Brain is no.
Oi. So if your heart doesn't pump,
Yeah.
make
The kneecap pump.
Pump in kneecap.
If the heart doesn't pump, then this is kneecap will pump.
Now be careful of your kneecap. Don't trespass. Trespass is coming if you need your kneecap to long life.
Okay.
Don't trespass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kun liba
Pero
yun.
kaya ko nan Rome verton na nga niya leo di ko mo TV.
Right.
Yeah.
Yang kira no kneecap.
Kneecap is very good. But that's mean.
Yeah.
So Lebula will be late.
Right,
Yeah.
You can pass him.
Yeah, kneecap is play a major role in our life.
Dito
sa-
So
Okay.
be careful of your kneecap.
Right.
Iya, kaya kaya lang tunangon ng durum mo.
Yeah.
Ikaw mo sa mo
Ask yourself.
Don't ask yourself.
Repair.
Punaw.
Oh, yeah.
Punaw tagabir lang one.
Yeah.
May garaw ng duro.
Yeah.
If a knee is injury,
The importance,
the importance of your knee,
Yeah.
because
It goes a kneecap.
it goes in kneecap.
Don't worry if the heart is injury.
Huh?
Don't worry if the heart is injury.
Yeah.
The heart is injury, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
You can fulfill another man, another woman.
Oh, okay.
Kaya kamoran utom.
Right.
Baka sumutong kay korbo, ben korbo no sorry mo ni naka rewa. Rewa bisa ko. Mula rewa bali mo ni naka. Iya.
Okay, okay.
Come.
The importance of our teeth.
The teeth is play a major biting.
Oh, okay.
If you lose a teeth, you lose a smile.
All right.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
smile, mother. Smile to the camera.
Absent teeth.
Right.
Yeah, if you lose a teeth,
Right.
your words, the pronunciation of your word will not circulated well.
Right.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
If you lose your teeth, you
Yeah.
can lose weight too.
Yeah.
Because some of the food that you like,
Yeah.
you're not able to bite it.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah. If you lose a teeth, you lose the important roles of our body.
Yeah.
Is a saliva to be
Right.
kept nicely inside.
Oi.
Ni luto ng batimun yung mama na wele na turo may ngusung. Because they are the bakameramba ni wotu ni nomueli.
Seawall.
Oi.
The seawall of your saliva.
What?
Is a teeth.
So you like you.
When I sleep, I don't want to on the side.
Okay.
I just on top.
Okay, on top.
Yeah,
So
mumot-
sometimes you are like all of a sudden when you wake up you on the side.
On the side metasova. San Francisco
Sansin,
and then
Sansin.
Dalindalo. It was up.
Yeah.
Because I'm experiencing this. Because I don't have a TV on the side.
Oi.
Yeah.
What happened? What, you still young. You the youngest.
Rugby,
Out of
rugby.
us three, out of
Rugby.
us- Oi, rugby.
Ikaw lang kami nakaning gito.
Wait,
Pero
what
saan
the-
ka matikain doon ngoni?
Oi, okay.
Saan ka doon ngoni? Saan
Mouth to
kayo?
mouth.
Mouth to mouth, may mas.
I think you should go to the hospital.
Yeah.
And ask the doctor, oh, matagal yun in the morning.
Yeah.
Matagali, if you're listening this morning, tuning this morning, we believe that you're tuning in.
Yeah.
Kira-kira may nangolin o tante,
Yeah.
doon ang bulma ko yan, rumah na koro ko sa amate.
Maybe so what?
Nangalang-ngalan na.
Yeah.
Meron din ko, may pagaraw.
Lawan na nga na ibalu. Yeah, that's a close up of our story this morning. You know,
Yeah.
it's very difficult when we don't have a teeth and we going for a funeral because we can't eat meat.
Right,
It's very hard. Eh napakabuna nga, nalibakabuna nga. Nalibakabuna lang nga nanondan lang ni uton na kinasangay ti may pamuta kinakakanilong.
All right.
They can circulate it well in the factory of fooding.
Okay.
May saka utungan doon ng blender.
Ha, belendang tasopa. Napakasulwato nga.
Losing your mind.
Losing?
Yeah, what's the
Losing your mind is coming after you break up with your loved ones.
Go, wrong with that.
Okay.
That's where you lose your mind.
Right.
Lose your mind. Mind is losing from the one you loved.
Yeah.
Oi.
Not only your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife
Okay.
or husband.
Yeah.
It's about your sisters,
Yeah.
brother, someone
Yeah.
like your loved ones.
Yeah.
You have a dog, you have a pet,
Right.
you love, you can lose your mind.
Okay.
Right.
O so sintarong ko Dems. Dito ko naman ko El Saranelon.
Alright.
Dito ko nilelon na. Where does that mind
Iyo.
go to?
When the spirit is gone,
Makabo. Di ba kalentong nanong ilabo? Darbo na lutu kini elikina.
Right.
Losing someone's mind, misa losing misa elo mo.
Nguyeda.
No bakasama.
Right.
Ela kuibi, please.
Where does
Explain.
it go? Where?
The mind
Right.
is being covered with our
Headgear.
headgear raka
Yeah.
with the skull.
Right.
The skeleton.
Inside the skeleton,
Yeah.
in the skull, there is only like this, a centimeter
Yeah.
of our brain
Yeah.
that contribute to our life.
Right.
Elai sara, ko maringi tungelo mongo eba tungango.
Right.
See, look.
One chip.
Yeah, kalilai.
Right.
Iyo.
Show it on the camera.
Here,
Oh, okay.
kept inside our brain.
Right.
That one
Here.
is where everything is being monetized.
So yours, that one is damaged.
Monetize siguro TikTok.
True.
So when that applies to you,
Yeah.
yours, that one is some like
If you
damaged.
lost your mind, on you think of
Your
something,
mind will be there.
Yeah,
Or
mine.
outside the chip.
Your mindset.
it's in.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you lost something mongolitam norka, that mean
Yeah.
your brain and your body does not work together. They have to work together.
Why?
It's like a sibiara.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Your body is a okay wanga nga ni nomutoso.
Oi.
Oi.
Iyo. Brain is where everything is being controlled.
Right.
Right.
Datakan Roberta Ronga?
Saya nga,
Iyo.
usa andro ko sarang nga ninto na nga na chip lele to kina na vika kina balit skenda.
Iyo.
Okay, the biggest chip, the big chip.
Tumugoro ria o ni chiko da loiko.
Iyo.
Huh?
Hindi na.
Okay, the chip like this at the back.
Yeah.
And what's the tulomongo?
Tulomongor is where money thinking is. Amo na ilabo korna kenamo.
The money box.
Hey, minabale we celebrating 90 years to Captain John and the friends from Fiji Hydrographic Office.
Noruminaka.
Best wishes to Miao Chale
Right.
and Chale Bulls and also to Father Niboy
Yeah.
and Randini Queen Niboy from Nandakeke Estate.
Ano na, when
Iya, binabali.
Nawaliw.
Bilesenia. Kere si Chion
Do
doyana.
bitilo man yan ramnaka.
Silia Mere.
Tila kelo an ramnaka. Bil leseni an
Mabaya
ramnaka.
siya na. Monetize.
Nabalebu na sar chukmaya na BDFM
John
Facebook
Kumar,
page,
unay
in,
sinabos.
TikTok channel and matakani kwa.
Iya. Siniraro na bosa, wala talaga na bosa.
Yanra, just follow you nabalebu.
Kaya basta matakir na daw bunaw eh.
Yeah.
Dara ka talaga na wala talaga na bosa.
Sen kemo ni mandao ni atuko ni ando don mo ni fada.
Gas us,
Iko
warusa.
rango ngo sa murre chuko ro captain. Na ngo navy.
Yeah.
Fada.
Emir Ndono.
Do biro extra la ko.
I ora nindalay ngonen daw ni tamata.
Ayan jen.
Iyo.
Kako nga ni sio dala.
Kita na lawa.
Andra na nga go bichelo mani.
Siwala me bulo mandakuna.
Ngangandre.
Iya. Ah?
Na chika ngangandre
Iyo.
no ni tukutuku ya memang ada tengah tukutuku. Iya.
Chuko de tutu ba.
Advance eh?
O chuko ibei. Na dona pale sige baru tar chuko san dongo.
Iya.
Iyo,
Ito
iyo.
na sa nakiro ko.
Imasi.
So de nga na makatamis siya. Ito mo ka. Ililinis ako sa maramot to may.
Masuk sama marame de bai.
Oh, ngida lo mo tume ke meni ngida re.
Iya.
O Mrs. Chubby.
Oh, julum.
Lo mo tume min demis, lo mani min demis. Kay wai bina balik sar na badge.
Sabi sabi.
Na Rossi, ke meni na Rossi winaka.
Ah,
Iya, na balew.
okay.
Oh, di benak bertonan ruah. Ada
Right.
yo tining kita
Go, Ndruah, go.
mataka.
Mataka.
Ada situ di suka lo toka. Also ada boleh lewu dalek kali bang chimbo mo tini solitur kenan raki. Ada singa ni mataka.
Don bina.
Iya. Te Brown, happy birthday to Chonetani.
Right.
Jerry, tande, belang yo bukoy. Miau, mula happy belated birthday miau. Ke usara pa?
Boleh.
Na token mbulo ense misin do mula bilang bela bunikam bela mosi.
Rado.
Mula bilang rota bale. Na bale, na tokani.
Eh, kurun mundu ko.
Mika ngalo bulango.